Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting a sticky note with enough tack to stay put. Color matters for quick spotting. Fold roughly 1/3 of the note back to make a hinge so the tab won't peel off under stress. Once done, place the folded edge on the page edge where you want the bookmark and align it about 1/4 inch from the corner so it sits flush without blocking text. This creates a stable, reusable tab that won't damage the page. Now you attach and secure the tab by pressing the adhesive hinge firmly from the inside of the page outward, which prevents curling. Make sure about 2/3 of the sticky note sticks out as a protruding flag so you can grab it quickly. This also keeps the paper marked without bending the page. Then smooth the edges and close the book lightly to confirm the tab doesn't catch. If it catches, reposition the hinge slightly closer to the spine for a better finish by trimming any excess sticky note that rubs the cover, or reinforce the hinge with a narrow piece of tape on the folded section for durability. You can use contrasting colors to denote different sections, priorities, or progress markers, so organization is visual and fast. If the tab peels over time, make sure you fold the hinge twice for extra strength or switch to a stronger adhesive brand. These quick adjustments keep your bookmark reliable without harming the book.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.